Let's continue our discussion on how firms can make AI work for them. If everyone works with ChatGPT or more specialized large language model, such as Bloomberg GPT in the financial services industry, will everyone get the same answers?
Well, that depends on the question. But since there always is more than one possible continuation of a sequence of words, there probably will be different answers, I suppose. Yeah.
So, what's the best practice then to support creative processes and smart decision making by humans interacting with the AI?
As we already discussed, prompt engineering. Yeah, one would have to look in detail what is the use case and then follow the prompt engineering in order to get the optimal use out of the AI.
So, I mean, all of this means a massive change to how organizations work, how we as human beings work. Are organizations actually ready for such change, or is this a plug and play thing?
I think organizations are not ready for this. Yeah, it's not a plug and play thing. It's something you need to get a deeper understanding how the technology works. Yeah, how ChatGPT works, and then you can make optimal use out of it.
And
Yeah.
should organizations drive this sort of top down, starting with a small specialist team getting started, or bottom up by giving employees, everyone access on a broader scale to see what the AI does, to see what it's capable of, to assess use cases? What do you think?
Well, I think this is an empirical question. Yeah, but considering that the technology is complex, while at the same time easy to use, probably starting with a small specialist team that paves the way for the technology to be introduced in an organization will work best. I think it's helpful to sort of recapitulate that uh, um, we had a similar situation with respect to the emergence of relational databases in the 70s. Yeah, so there was also something completely new that also led to the rise of companies like SAP, for example, and in subsequence, the restructuring of business processes and financial accounting. So when I remember, that was also at first specialist teams that introduced the technology in an organization. And then it became a sort of broader field where
Hmm.
then sort of the chairman said, well, we need SAP as well. Yeah. Then people were able to follow. But right now, I think we are more in the early stages of the new computing technology. So I think sort of small specialist teams, yeah, who pave the way probably will be the more efficient approach.